1 cup of mayonnaise. Grab yourself some sharp cheddar and add about a 1/2 cup of sharp cheddar right in with that mayonnaise. Then you're gonna do the same with the pepper jack cheese, adding about a 1/2 cup of pepper jack cheese. I find the combination between pepper jack and cheddar is absolutely delicious. So once you have all those in there, you guys, you're just gonna mix together that mayonnaise with the cheese until everything is all combined. Now we have some sourdough bread, and yes, it does have to be sourdough. If you are a fan of another bread or you think one would be better, please let me know, because I have yet to find something that is better than sourdough for this delicious, easy appetizer combo we got going on here. Here I have some ground beef that I previously browned just on my stove top. And you can tell that I am just taking a little scoop of this ground beef and I'm just kind of moving it over the top, just like so, of these little pieces of bread. If some falls, if it gets a little messy, you guys, it is just a-okay, right? We're not gonna serve them on this tray, don't you worry. We're just throwing it together, quick and easy. This will be one of the most tasty appetizers that you've tried. Or you know what, even a lunch thing. No judgment, whatever you wanna do, even if it's a late night snack, I don't know. You choose, right? That's what, life is so great because you always get choices. Oh wow, I just dumped a little bit. Okay, no big deal, it's all good. Now remember that cheese mixture that we made with the cheddar and the mayonnaise? We're gonna come in and we're gonna take this cheese mixture, we're gonna put it right on top of this meat. Now, I'm gonna try to do it as carefully as I can. Of course, when it heats up, it's gonna melt, it's gonna move around, it's gonna fold in with that beef. It's going to be so good. My hands are nice and clean, so don't you worry. And you know what else? It's like the mayonnaise, it like has the oil in it where it moves all the way down, so the bottom of the toast just gets super crispy. It's so satisfying. Oh, it keeps me coming back for more, I swear. And this combination, adding this little beef on the top, is just gonna be even better. Oh, all of this cheesy goodness. I'm not saying this is something that you want to have every day, but I am saying that for a special occasion or for a good get together or a party or a craving for lunch, this is where it's at right here. So let's pop this in the oven at 350. We're going to cook it for 20 minutes. Stick around, you guys. This simple and minimal ingredient app is to die for. Like, seriously. Wow, you guys, literally, I am on the edge of my seat right now. Oh, look at that cheese. Oh, I don't know what it is. How does it do it so good every time? Oh, I'm gonna take this one right in front. Look at, let's examine this fine specimen. Look at that cheese. Oh, I can see the meat coming out. Let's see the bottom. Oh, see how that does that? It like golden brown crispiness. Perfect every time, you guys. It is the simplest and silliest thing, and it's the best, I swear. Gosh. Adding a little bit of ground beef just gives it even more flavor. Look at that. Wow. Honestly, I know we all have different tastes, but I feel like everybody would love this. Tell me if you've tried it. If you haven't tried it, you've got to try it. What cheese are you using? Are you doing anything different? I want to hear all the thoughts, you guys. I hope you enjoy this one. We'll see you guys later. Cheers.